Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. So actually, this feature is not available to all countries, including my country. If you go to your Facebook and then look for Ask AI, you should probably see it right here. Okay, when you go to the search bar. But unfortunately, we don't have this feature yet. So if you don't see or if you don't know what it looks like, then this is what it looks like. You should see this introducing AI chats and you should simply use it. Once you tap OK, it will take you directly to your messenger and you can ask AI about anything. Okay, so in case that this one is available in your country and you can't see it working or it's not yet in your Facebook, then what you're going to do here is to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. So you just have to search for Facebook and then update your Facebook application. So once you update your Facebook application, go back to your Facebook and see if this feature is available. If not, then you can do the second method. So the second method is you just have to go to your settings. If you're using Android, then go to application management and then look for app list. And then under app list, you have to search or look for your Facebook application. So tap this one, scroll down, look for Facebook, or go to the search bar and then look for Facebook. And what you're going to do here is go to storage and then you have to click or look for clear cache. Okay, tap Facebook, go to storage, and then look for clear cache and then clear everything. After that, you can simply go back again and you can either tap this force stop or uninstall. So you can uninstall your Facebook here and go back to the Play Store and install again. Or you can simply exit and then long press your Facebook application and uninstall your Facebook. So after you uninstall, reinstall it again and then open your Facebook. Now, if after doing this, your Meta AI is still not working in your Facebook, then the last thing to do here is you just have to wait until everything is okay, or you can contact their customer service or ask for a help in order for them to let this feature available on your Facebook application. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.